Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power so you can work safely. Turn the breaker off and double-check the fixture is dark. Once the power is off, position a stable ladder and remove the sensor cover or lens with the screwdriver, because access is necessary to reach controls, wiring, and batteries. Make sure to photograph the current wiring, jumpers, and dial positions so you can restore original settings if needed, and keep small parts in a container to avoid drops. Once open, remove batteries and use the built-in reset button or hold the power contacts for 10 to 20 seconds to clear memory. This reinitializes the sensor logic. Next, inspect the wiring and terminal screws. Loose connections or corrosion cause erratic behavior, so tighten and clean as needed. Then set sensitivity, range, and time delay dials to their midpoint factory positions so you can calibrate from a neutral baseline once power is restored and the unit is powered back up. After reassembly, restore the breaker and watch the lights start up. Some sensors run a warm-up routine, so wait 2 to 3 minutes. Then perform a walk test from various angles and distances to ensure reliable triggering. Make adjustments to sensitivity and time settings incrementally, because small changes have big effects on detection area. If it still misbehaves, swap in a known good lamp or battery to rule out power issues, and if problems continue, call a licensed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.